The Land Rover Defender 3.0 D250X Dynamic SE93 Dr. Otto is a robust and versatile SUV, blending advanced technology with exceptional off-road capabilities. Below is an overview of its key specifications. Engine and performance. Engine, 3.0-liter inline-6 diesel. Power output, 249 bhp, 184 kilowatts at 4,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 570 Newton-meters, 420 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. Drivetrain, 4-wheel drive. Top speed, 117 miles per hour. 0 to 62 mph, 0-100 kilometers per hour, 8 seconds. Fuel consumption combined WLTP, 33.6 mpg. CO emissions combined WLTP, 220 grams per kilometer. Dimensions and capacity. Length, 4,583 millimeters. Width including mirrors, 2,105 millimeters. Height, 1,974 millimeters. Wheelbase, 2,587 millimeters. Ground clearance, 225 millimeters. Approach angle, 38 degrees. Departure angle, 40 degrees. Breakover angle, 31 degrees. Fuel tank capacity, 89 liters. Boot space, 297 liters. Seating capacity, 5 occupants. Towing and payload, maximum towing capacity braked 3,500 kilograms. Maximum towing capacity unbraked 750 kilogram. Maximum roof load, 100 kilograms. Maximum payload, 742 kilogram. Interior and features. Infotainment system, 11.4-inch touchscreen with Pivi Pro. Connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth. Audio system, Meridian 400W with 11 speakers and subwoofer. Seating, 12-way electrically adjustable heated and cooled front seats with memory function. Climate control, dual zone automatic. Additional features, heated steering wheel, wireless device charging, panoramic sunroof. Safety and driver assistance. Safety rating, Euro NCAP 5-star rating. Driver assistance systems, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot assist, 360-degree parking aid, 3D surround camera. Additional safety features, emergency braking, traffic sign recognition with adaptive speed limiter, rear traffic monitor. Please note that specific